Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Last year we used your donation to share the message of Islam in Birmingham, London, Kenya and the Maldives. And from this, Allah guided 124 people to Islam, Alhamdulillah. We also distributed tens of thousands of dawah materials around the world. We delivered dawah training courses, new Muslim training, public lectures, Islamic courses, online training and webinars. Teaching Islam to hundreds of Muslims and non-Muslims across 13 cities in the UK, Hong Kong and an online audience worldwide. We also supported 715 new Muslims locally and globally, delivering classes, one-to-one support on how to pray, how to recite the Quran, mentoring, organizing social events and online support and much more. Brothers and sisters, did you donate and get a share of the reward or did you miss out? This year we're going to do a whole lot more, so do not miss out any longer. Click on the link now and set up a monthly donation to get a share of the reward of all that we do. Even if it's as small as £5 per month, that's as little as 17p a day. The Prophet ﷺ said that the most beloved deeds to Allah are the regular deeds, even if they are small. Think of the amazing reward you will get if you support IslamWise by the permission of Allah. Every time someone takes Shahada, you would get a copy of their reward of all of their deeds. Every salah, fast, charity, dhikr or letter of the Quran recited, you will get a copy of that reward. So brothers and sisters, click on the link now to set up a monthly donation and make this your best Ramadan ever. Oh, and one last thing. Get the reward of others who donated by sharing this video. Jazakallahu khairah.